Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe Farm and Greenhouse, and today we're making terrariums. A terrarium is a watertight, clear container. It could be plastic, glass, acrylic. This one we're using today is a glass container. The first layer of your container is a layer of stones. This acts as a reservoir for the water since it doesn't have drainage on the bottom. And I would probably do about 1 inch in your container. Of course, it would depend on the size. The next layer is a thin layer of charcoal. This is going to help clean the air in the water. The third layer of your terrarium is going to be your potting soil. I would do at least 1 inch. If your terrarium is larger, you may want to do up to 2 inches or so. Kind of see what fits the size of your container. Pat it down. When you're choosing your plants, you want to think about the conditions in your house, whether you have really bright light or low light, or if you want to do something with all succulents or cactus. That's important when you're choosing. So I picked some plants that are all moisture loving, and we're just going to pull them out, dig our hole and bury them down in the soil. Take them out of their pot. First I chose a red polka dot plant. Next I'm going to choose a fern. These have similar watering requirements and also light requirements, which is important when you're putting different plants together. This is a little sedum. This is going to be a ground cover. This adds a lot of color to this one. Next, you can decorate the top of it with some stones, or you could use decorative mosses, or even little trinkets like fairy gardens, gnomes, or little turtles, or little animals that you might have around the house. Could decorate your terrarium to make more of a landscape. Join me next week for more gardening tips from Ashcombe.